Starting from this video, we're going to be recreating our GraphQL application to work by using data from a database. And the database that we're going to be using is probably the most popular relational database out there, which is called MySQL. MySQL is an Oracle product, so many years ago Oracle has purchased MySQL. And in this course we're not going to discuss how MySQL works, and we're not going to get into the particulars of it, but I'm going to show you their website. So this is mysql.com, and just to show you how to install and download this product, so click on the downloads, and in here you will see, if you keep on scrolling down towards the bottom, there is a MySQL Community Edition. So this is a free version of the MySQL database. So click on this download link, and then here you will find the MySQL community server, and just hit download. And this is now going to take you to this download page where you will find the appropriate binaries for your operating system. So mine is macOS, so that's why it's pre-selected, but here are all the other operating system types. So just make sure that you get the appropriate file. So for Windows, you would getting a zip archive. For Linux, I assume that it's going to be a package. There we go. So there's multiple packages. So just get the entire thing. You can probably install this via any installation tool on a Linux system as well. So make sure you install and set up MySQL. I also recommend that you set up what is called MySQL Workbench, and there should be, so if you just search for this, there we go. So this is the second result here, mysql.com/products/workbench, and click download now, and then again download the appropriate version onto your system, and then first install MySQL and then install MySQL Workbench. And MySQL Workbench looks like this. So when you open it, it's first going to ask you to connect to your MySQL instance, which by default, if it runs on your computer, it should be localhost. The port should be 3306, and then you need to provide a username and a password to connect. And if you've done that, then you should be presented with this screen. On the left hand side here, you see all the databases that you have. You will not have the same databases that I do, because for example this GraphQL database is the one that I created for this course. So don't worry about that, we're going to create that together. So just make sure that you have MySQL and MySQL Workbench installed. Installing MySQL Workbench is not required, because I'm going to also show you how to use MySQL via the command line just to run a few sample queries. But if you want a GUI, then this is a nice tool to use.